So did you manage to network there? Did you manage to meet any interesting people? What is the takeaway from Cannes?
No, I didn't network like that. I was part of conversations where I was like, this is what I was just making notes. I was just a silent observer being like, okay, तैयार होके जाना है इन जगहों पे. I just want to put, like get my diary out and just
Yeah.
go as a journalist, which I'm not. So every moment had to be a dressed up moment. I was like, okay, we'll do the fashion part, but I just want to go and soak this in and see what can I do my homework.
Yeah.
And come back with some homework and be like, guys, like abhi, there's so many grants मिलते हैं festivals पे, especially जब औरतें फिल्में बनाती हैं औरतों के बारे में. तो हम लोग या तो we're lazy or we're not getting the right something's amiss and we need to put our finger on the pulse. फिर हमें grants मिलेंगे. हम रोते ना कि पैसे नहीं, finances नहीं, grants बाहर से मिलती हैं किसी एजेंडा के बगैर.
Yeah.
Grants मिलती हैं. So we need to get working on that is what I came back with, is that come on, we need to collaborate, we need to either do it individually kuch nahi hota. I feel like the women, we should all get together.
Yeah.
Like Tuba and Sarma did it at the Berlin Film Festival. Tuba produced that with her company Enso.
Yeah.
We need to be doing more stuff like that. Producing.
And that also excites you, right?
What happened at Cannes was I'd never thought about production and direction, but I'm like, ab production ki ज़रूरत पड़ेगी because नहीं होगा. I can't sit and wait for it to fall in my lap.
Yeah.
We've got to make it happen. So I would like now to work on stories or start somewhere, get writers, get producers, or produce it myself, get writers and directors to create stories where we can get the grants and go pitch it to different panels, different people, and make not global cinema, make your Pakistani films, but just an international story or a global story. And global stories are about family dramas. We do family drama best. Some of the best films at festivals are, or if you take Parasite Lele, the Korean Oscar-winning film, what was it? It was about family.
Yeah, totally.
And like the cup of life that you have to go through. Totally. Oh, we're so good at doing that. तो हमें बस अपनी कहानियों को किसी तरह थोड़ा सा international बनाना है.
Packaging बेहतर करनी है ना, उसकी बेहतर करनी है.
And it doesn't always have to be a middle class household. It can be a more modern household. Even modern people and
have
liberal
problem.
people
absolutely.
have gharelu issues.
Absolutely.
So if we just kind of, that's what I felt like, okay, we need to work on these, because whatever these panel discussions are happening, we are part of this conversation.
Yeah.
We need to be a part of these conversations. So,
fantastic. Fantastic. Taking that exposure and coming back to Pakistan, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में भी एक women representation तो बहुत है. जैसे आपने अपनी उसमें रील में भी कहा कि women are directors, they're working on the sets, they're doing, they're assistant directors, मतलब काम कर रही हैं और हर ड्रामा जो है women centric है. लेकिन somehow women are not finding their place in the industry at large either. का बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि जी it is a boys club at the end of the day. It is a boys club. Men do benefit from it more. Even अगर कहानियाँ औरतों की हैं, अब ज़्यादा औरतों ने इस बारे में भी बात करनी शुरू कर दी है that they maybe don't feel safe on sets. Maybe they're not treated so well on sets. Maybe they don't have the kind of facilities, whether it's childcare or whether it's decent restrooms, whether it's just some kind of security, वो नहीं मिल रही. तो वहाँ बहुत अच्छा है representation बाहर होनी चाहिए, लेकिन हम अपना कब fix करेंगे?
I was at a panel discussion this morning, Engro ka. Company like Engro.
Yeah.
Huge.
Yeah.
One of the CFOs or CEOs was talking about when she went to the site, plant pe gayi thi, Port Qasim mein, and she had to use the restroom. So someone said, okay, it's 50, admin bathroom use karne, it's 15 minutes yahan se lagenge. She said, 15 minutes? They're like, koi baat nahi, aapko shuttle mein le jayenge. 10 minute mein, 5 minute pahunch jayenge, jo bhi. So she said, my position is such where I'm getting the shuttle, but what about the engineers on site? They had to use a unisex bathroom. So she then was like, this is not happening. And she had, put in the request for bathrooms to be made and a separate women's prayer room to be made. It took 2 years for that to be made. You're talking about a huge company.
Yeah.
And a lot of multinationals have this problem where a lot of women need, but the point of that conversation was communicate. Communicate without using the aurat card, I'm a woman and I need to do this and we are women. No, just communicate your issues and you will be heard. And if you collectively communicate your issues, 1, 2, 3 people, but unless there's no communication, I don't think you will get what you need. And they were absolutely right when they said that. I mean, I haven't experienced so much of what you're saying, but I do know that newcomers, young girls, are experiencing this. and they're too afraid, just like when you are employed in a big company, आप नई employment है, आप you're not going to start complaining क्योंकि आप you're fearful कि आपको कहेंगे भाई अभी आपको जॉब मिली और आपकी ये डिमांड्स आ गई हैं, डिमांड्स नहीं है, ये बेसिक नीड्स हैं जो आपको चाहिए, लेकिन we shy away from asking for them. So same with, I think, the women, young girls coming to the industry, don't shy away from asking what is your right. Voice your concerns, communicate, tamiz se, because mard aurat jo bhi, if you ask someone nicely for something, many times, hopefully it'll happen, and then communicate to your seniors, communicate to your colleagues who can maybe help you. Don't silently take it because nothing's going to happen, and don't not say something. I feel like this is the only thing I can say to try and encourage them to make a change, because I did it. I was also someone new who started, but I would ask for certain things and not demand them, but I'd be like, how can I change here, or how can I do anything? I brought a kafil pe, Wali came with me, he was 5 months old, and the production house facilitated it. They gave me a separate room. They gave me, I said, I need a car that'll go back and forth because Wali's got to go back and forth with me. So I communicated these things before and they gave it to me. People will argue to be like, you can now ask for these things, and certain people who have made it to a certain point can ask for these. You couldn't have just, this can't be your first drama and you make these demands. I'm like, sure, no, you're right. But I haven't experienced being on the back foot yet in terms of a woman in this industry. I've always said I think the women rule the roost in this industry, because I felt from what I'd seen, the women were getting paid better, the women had the roles, the women were the leads, the women were the driving forces of the story. So for me it was like, हमें शुक्र है किसी industry में हमें ज़्यादा इज्जत मिलती है.
But don't you think that maybe you're a very privileged minority in the larger pool?
But why am I a privileged minority? Why was it me? Who am I? I worked.
Because you knew your rights as well.
That's what I'm saying. You have to know your rights. That's all I'm saying. Know your contract. I'm educated, that's why. You need to be a little bit more educated and a little bit more conscious. Apne contracts padhe. Ask for help. What Atika Odo is working day in, day out for this union that she's trying to make, be a part of it. There are seniors there who have been there for years who are really trying to pave the way to help newcomers and give them their rights. They will make contracts for you that you aap act ka contract jaake lein aur act aapke piche khada rahega. Insurance cards मिलेंगी, health insurance मिलेगा. अगर आपने अपने अकेले करना और आपने वो कि नहीं, I don't want to be a part, it's not cool to be a part of the ACT union, then that's on you. But there are avenues now to access that can help.
Do artists get any of those facilities like insurance, health card?
Yes.
Yes. Royalties, for example.
Royalties abhi nahi. That's a fight, a long argument.
I've interviewed Farhan Tahir a couple of weeks ago, and he said that 2008 में Iron Man की थी और अभी तक उसका हर महीने उसका चेक आता है, हर महीने.
Musicians are getting it now. Ashir was telling me it's a good time to be a musician now, because first they didn't, but it's a good time to be a musician because they are now getting their उनको क्या कहते हैं musicians को जब मिलता है, they don't call it royalties, it's called something else, I forget the word, but basically वही कि आपका गाना जहाँ प्ले होगा आपको उसके पैसे मिलेंगे. So it's changing in the music world. But unfortunately, and then I was asking, again, there was this, Atika Odo held this, a dinner where we were just discussing our rights and what's happening. So I said, why can't we get on the royalty thing? She said, because बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत काम है, कि फलां को कितना percentage मिलेगा और फलां को कितना percentage मिलेगा.